Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to change background color. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Droyo, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow with the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Changing the background color in Droyo is a simple process that can enhance your diagrams and improve your utility for a lot of purposes. For example, I'm working currently in a specific diagram here, and I'm working with simple elements. I'm dragging along here. I'm creating this and that inside of it. I'm going to put it here. Add some more information here along the way, and then I'm going to add an image later and click the resize button so it would fit to our diagram. All right, for example, this. Now, for you to be able to change the background, all you're gonna do is go to the extras on the top corner. You see there is an option here that says appearance. You have three options. Right now I'm using the light, which is gonna be kind of like the default background color for Droyo platform. Click the dark option, it would turn into the dark mode. If you hover to the automatic, you see it's kind of giving you the default. If you go to the say high contrast, it's the same thing. You see that there's like the edge is kind of like thickened. On the extras, if you want to go through the theme automatic, all right. If you go here, it requires restarting though. If you go to the minimal simple sketch at Atlas, all right. But for now, your limited option is go to the appearance, and we're going to choose dark. Now, changing the background color like this one can make the text, shapes, even the lines more legible, especially when working with light colored elements. You can use the background colors to represent themes such as, different colors, making it helping it stand out or look more polished. Now, when exporting diagrams for presentations, you need to adjust the background color so they can blend well with the intended medium. For example, dark backgrounds for slides. And of course, obviously adjusting the background color to a softer color or maybe to darker color can make working on diagrams more comfortable, especially during extended sessions, all right? And of course, all you're gonna do if you wanted to revert back to the default, go to extras, appearance, click the light button. But I'm not gonna do that because I like the dark mode. Because it creates a distinction to colors, especially to multi-page diagrams, which helps visually distinguish them during editing or presentations. And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.